Hello there everybody, what is up? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we are back with another brand new video. And in this channel we post videos related with Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok and many other apps. So if you want to get updated with tutorial videos just like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Now let's move on with today's video, which is on how you guys can see your mutual friends on Snapchat. So mutual friends basically means if you have used Facebook, you guys are gonna know what mutual friend means. So if a person with whom I'm friend is also friend with other person and that person is shown in my feed, that means it's mutual friend. So what it means is, let's say I'm friend with Kevin and Kevin is friend with Witchy, so which means Witchy is gonna be mutual friend of Kevin. All right, so that's what mutual friend is. And so why I'm seeing Witchy is because I'm related with Kevin and Kevin is related with Witchy, so Snapchat is gonna think I might know Witchy, and that's basically what mutual friend means. All right, so basically let me show you guys how you guys can see mutual friend in Snapchat. Well, it's pretty simple, so just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. Now let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture on the top left corner of your screen right beside the search icon, and once you're over here, scroll a bit down and just click on add friends. Once you're in add friend, all the friends which is shown under quick add is mutual friends. So all these people has been added on Snapchat with my friend. I don't know exactly which friends they are connected with, but they are connected with some of my friends. And if they're added on your contact, it's just gonna say in my contact, as you guys can see. But some people like Rojan, Asna, Samyak, they're mutual friend with some of my friend. I don't know who they are exactly friend with, but they are mutual friend. Everyone who's under quick add is mutual friend. All right, so that's basically how you guys can see quick friend, or like in simple term, that's how you guys can see mutual friends on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day, everybody, and peace out.